Man, I just rode my dirt bike on the freeway. Well, it's actually a dual sport motorcycle, but it was like a 30, 40 minute commute, give or take. And that definitely boosted my test. You gotta have fun. You gotta enjoy everything. Before the day starts, let's get a quick pump, shall we? Keep the blood flowing, you know what I'm saying? Man, riding that bike on the freeway, that got my adrenaline up there, that's for sure. You know, I'm always saying, use it or lose it. Just like the skill of riding a motorcycle. I used to be so much better than I was. I used to be so much more ballsy than I already am, but when the opportunity presents itself, you should definitely seize it. You know what I'm saying? So, what are we at? Tuesday on the week? Maybe if you're trying to get your summer body in check, you can start off with some simple push-ups. Maybe if you're trying to get your summer spirit in check, you can go for a run. Go for a bike ride. Dude, I'm just here to show you that I enjoy myself. I enjoy how I spend my time, and if you don't, that sucks. Here, I got a quick recommendation. Uh-oh. Pre-workout. That's the recommendation. If I'm ever dragging ass, then I have some of this. See if we can get one more set. Come on, burn out. Couple of sets of 20, couple of forearm movements. That's a pretty good start to my day. It's better than breakfast. A little bit of sissy curls.